enti jema me mo ka tro se obia esu na busia now no esu no almost one free kokwa for so free nurses ekosi teachers now akokodru allied health professionals busia omo esi nusu omo chirem say enough is enough. Mahama must post them and pay them now. Mema nchiremu no achire wadwen amame e comment section. I Penyah block me there. Metro say any dem. Oba like video no that one subscribe button so be click bell notification conflicts updates na be chire wadwen da amame e comment section so ba so. No achire for so enya bi ahwe. So we amemu Ghana ya witnessing now a bufu. Bibi ajiegu plans na shiegu dreams ni nyina la shiegu policies ni nyina la shiegu ejabo Ghana ni yewu because Bosha dey am share 2024 no enya nu ne ehunu 2026 2025 bi da bi enya nu ne ehuni but now o complain kitu bi a yes shut up ya take petrol am me nika e ya take petrol am me fa ho be lord fair yente so o complain yes shut up ya take dollars on the internet ya take dollars so anema bo e wo market the charity ya take dollars so me $1 ever mo be but okay just shut up inflation rate above on the internet as you who on the market enema bo entumu ba sharp and you see inflation rate above
but abra na inflation was very high 24% 25% na wutie me and the inflation was 3.8 and ameboa 3.4 3.8 I was from pa I must say the lowest we have gone since 2002 saying what you say now inflation was 24% nana now dollar was 15 cedis now now ofri sunyane now okwa Accra now ofri Accra ko sunyane na flight na 1900 cedis ticket no ebida ho and then cedi no e 11 ebi 10.5 11 inflation now free 25 ababe see 3.8 yenka asem ntete niam so ntinka stabilize it se ofri sunyane ba Accra 2700 more than 1200 na be count. Stabilization and they say aviation fuel no dey yente so na.
The rate at which prices of goods and commodities should increase as what, but in reality on grounds about boom jane and there is a name what it. There's about something which is there. Now we say the obia esu je o memu teachers for the can be 2 minutes nurses esu ni so ama kokwa for once ko mo ba mo boss no bia akuafo omomudo aburo obia esu na akwa kodru nkofu ko be fro mu allied health professionals AHPs yewa therapeutic services ebiye physiotherapist, occupational therapist, speech language pathologist and what respiratory therapist and yewa omusa render diagnostic service name omu render. These are their services. Musa render diagnostic services, medical laboratory dentists, medical laboratory scientists, and radiographers, and also what sonographers. That's it. Allied health professionals. Musa render nutritional services into dietitians, musa nutritionists. That's it. Musa render mental health support into you will be psychologist, you will be art therapist, and a music therapist. What I say? Just omu render special and essential services. Your teams are from doctors. Into we allied health professionals. Omu ye professional. We just uncle for no. Baby wa Ghana ha. Omo school every fie. But Mahama imposti womu. Omo tene fie. The whole of 2025. Imposti womu. Kakra so for muso a o market to Emma there was almost aba media so mudi nisuo kan sem kire Mahama say Mahama enough is enough at least post wo mu ne ti omuka don so enya bibi empodwe
eni briaba we allow him na him post wa o hwe video ya entwem share the like ne comment section pa ne yame enra nkwa no bi so etima so tiri se 2094 sutifie health minister honorable Kwabena Menta Akambe Yeah, brew. Main can't down. Yeah, person me boom to be a papa. Yeah, bread. Money bread. We are suffering. 6 good years. When you been a guy, the year beside some moon posting. Moon posting is we need to mind yet. Moon put yes, why? Yes, moon posting. Why? Allied health professionals, yeah, pray. Yeah, pray from 2019 at day.
Of allied health professionals. Despite completing our mandatory national service, passing our licensure examinations, and remaining committed and ready to serve the nation, many of us have remained unemployed since as far back as 2019. This is a very disturbing reality in a country where public facilities are plagued with chronic staff shortages, particularly in the areas of diagnostics, disease surveillance, rehabilitation, and health information management. It is unacceptable that highly trained professionals such as medical laboratory scientists, physiotherapists, radiographers, health information officers, disease control officers, community mental health officers, nutritionists and dietitians, and others are idle at home while patients suffer and health workers post at overstretched. Ghana cannot continue to claim it is committed to universal health coverage while it sidelines the workforce needed to achieve it. Adding to the injustice, we are required by law to renew our professional licenses annually at significant personal cost, even though we are not employed and not permitted to practice. This is deeply unfair and further exacerbates the emotional, psychological, and financial hardship that we already are burdened with. We also decry that systematic discrimination in the health sector recruitment, while some of the other health professionals are automatically posted after their internship, allied health professionals are ignored, delayed, and neglected. Our role in the health system is critical, and we demand equal recognition and opportunity. Furthermore, training institutions continue to admit new students annually, producing more graduates into a system that has failed to absorb the backlog. The government must immediately restructure the workforce, planning and recruitment mechanisms in the health sector. We fully endorse Melpu's call and reinforce the following demands. 1. Immediate financial clearance and recruitment of all qualified but unemployed allied health professionals from 2019 to date. Secondly, an end to reoccurring bureaucratic bottlenecks that frustrates the employment process. 3. Clear timelines and full transparency from the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Finance on recruitment plans. 4. A comprehensive national policy for sustainable health workforce planning, equitable recruitment, and investment in human resource for health. 5. Equal and fair treatment of allied health professionals in the health sector decisions. This is a matter of justice, equity, and national interest. Continued neglect of our plight is a threat to public health, social stability, and the future.
Any braba, your best year, we allied health professional, I'll do her like video, no, share. Now repost the video, no. And I giant who allied health, your name will be two. Money, Ministry of Health, and your name will be Bob Blues and Casa. Charlie, Honorable set a J-Ban senior member. I think he's one of the Honorable Canada Japan's campaign team, no, or can who be. And now who say what posty, what can be said. He married at the age of 25. But these days, you can't marry because there is no job. Honorable, thank you for your concern. That was say what show that we know, but sign ye me ya be say nena one who sad way because what buy no a bass on in an emabunu tifia or motia moi de babesi and no one who anya who be bia and farmer this year for no. Ye better was the kind say one who sad way and Sabri, but now wasn't one who da now I can't want them. Ama sebi wa ban no aye bibi di ama mabunu no. Ye besre aban we nso ba ye no ko afe ene kakra ni. Adesuafo no gusua da so tifi a adwuma no omunya bi nyeye. Yesre mo hye mabunu na konfo. I have one of my course mate or say sometimes or person car you won't go stand somewhere like roadside and shout heavy one said the bear no be Kobe babies at the one at the end how no I explaining how ne the actually panel but onyo obian can answer moncheno. This is a sign of depression. This is a sign of depression. Mental health I can was embebre no abusuan for any Ghana penny for my mom fan say easy. The day that these boys will come out for a demonstration, it will be a different thing. I'm telling you the truth. The day the people will resist, that very day the Ghanaian leaders will see they've made a mistake. So we are not here to cause any fear and panic to the government, but we are telling the government the truth. And the truth, Charlie, sometimes I was saying kind of and here we don't insult. So they see it as mere message that you want to pass through. You want to pass to them. No, it's not like any mere message. And I say, Ote wana o feelings o be kasa and wa fa camera si wenim na o kasa. People are going through a lot. But mpanimfo na ya o madwen so say nya de a omo be mo omo ani akoho na omo di ho dwuma. We are preparing. We will come. And the day that we will come, you will see say like heat na wo mabunu ni mu no ahye omumu ache nti omo be bin heat na bin omo. And there are some of them that they got nothing to lose in this life. They've lost their mothers, their parents. Nti omo wo wiase na adwuma nso onya bi nya da wa wie school 6 years 7 years or da so tifie nti ono no oba na ohun ne say yetu okura na wo de bebo no some of them oni omo din komo adwen ye omo tim no say edu time bi no yes obe pie abekire na adwen abekire o how a ha no na koso a waka ho asem ache no say oba na wa ma ne kwan a afa dia wo pe bia no fire no because why ready owo ho no onya adwuma da enya feeling bia da ne maame ne papa nipa omubua no omafiri wiase nti ono ankasa no why depressed no oti wiase nti oba na wo shutu no so de obeye ne bia na mfa ne ho. We should be very careful as a nation. We should be very careful as leaders and how we are treating our youth. It's very bad. Thank you.
Allied Health Professionals Council. Allied Health, why? Yebekasa wo media no so a na ya mu bi mu anya ho ababekasa ye dede na ya amongst ya ho na ekomudi ye nyina abomu no na mo sa be ye they say the ye nyina yebekasa bi some of us decide that say yankasa but they say the yebekasa ya we school 5 years and more. Me personally 2020-2021 academic year as at 2026 January I wo me da so tifie no posting every year you renew your pin every year you renew your pin na nsan ya ho na mo say edebe CPD o seden 90 cedis yakotua ene ewia krenkren ye firi a mo se bibi de gan se gando se debe yanko join a WhatsApp platform. Now, who joining so aje wutua 250 cedis. One year 250 now. This year, won't me renew pin. Who is the Gant? Sagano, Sagan, say, Diamo be kuye abra yesu. Ain't yanko join a gun, Sagan, so as a moo kuye every year. You people have not posted us. We are not working. Yet if ye shemitiro as a lady like me, we mitiro. Me ye adwuma na kamebo life ni bianka enfata me ana Allied Health for accommodate. At my age, I sometimes have to pick phone and call my mom say, "Auntie, me auntie bao, auntie, one baby bia mama ndia." Ene mindidi na abrewa atete ni morem up 50 cedis and 100 cedis. E dey send me say me fandidi. At my age, am I not supposed to take care of my parents? Allied Health, why? They say Makofa Bodria Baby Mochi say Gano, Segando, whatever. Yentia 250 cedis. For years now, yet if ye look at me. This is my Allied Health AE. See, this is it. I have everything. Provisional registration, certificates of registration, everything is here. Now you renew pin a hodro. See, pin renewal. Bakuni 253 cedis. Bakonsuni 275. Counting and more. Every year, Kekabom, Minya Juma Mitifio. You see, look at the book I'm reading. Must start all over. Titus 1. I don't want to miss the line. Even on my center table. See, I'm a nutritionist though. I have fruits on my center table. I'm a nutritionist. I love my profession. I love my work. But you people, mama, ejuma no kra ya tie ni so. Ejuma na esi ebe no. Mama na tie ni so. We are crank way. You go for 250 to this one. You people are just taking money, every day money. I like help for more peskaje. Like you people like money, more peskaje. And then why? I like help. Why? More pesca dodo. Na munja isa. They say mo se gando, whatever. And a Ghana Association of Nutritionists and Dietitians, so said debate. So one join in, I say 250 cedis near dues. Met woman near Juma. Me uncle join the association. Let me go to your dues 250 cedis. And if you don't pay that 250 cedis, won't me renew pin. I like how for to pin renewal. That line Juna went to penalty that so. Me and one mammy Juma nye. Me go to 250 cedis. Now me just have 250 cedis ni we are. I find I may say baby another 200 plus to renew my pin. Hello, are we okay here? Allied Health. I didn't say what is her. Mubaya ne ya bekasa ne ya kan de yanka ne ya nya omo so benya daje ababedi atemo media no so as a nutritionist obi awie school as a nutritionist ojina kg obi private school kg e kire 1 2 3 A for apple, B for ball bosomi ya man 500 cedis as a nutritionist mo nim say Ghana ha say your facilities bebreba omo ni nutrition departments enti ya adwuma no ehho ya den se obenya ba bi krampa akwa lokum Obia Real School as a nutritionist, allied health professional certificate. Ekrano. I was a otimi ye juma ages papa bino watima shane ma papa at this age. Oti obi clinicano checking vitals. Na bosomi yamano 500 cedis. Oti transportation in feeding free ma. Bosomi ni beduka no sign the car way juma. And then time motenti yes and tia honya momobo. Ya ho anya momobo enka mo ma no mo bi te say yenom na ye adwuma ekoba na ye mfa burden bia metom so a I hope say enka mo nso mani beje pa we wish say adwuma no kurate ye ni so ye nya biem mo nsore free office so mo ne gando se gand na mo se mo ne o ma ye kwalabo say ye ntua ska na 250 cedis na ye ntimi nya pin renewal this year no Mon sorry free office ho na mon field na adwuma na e wo say ye no allied health for mon yemaye you people are killing us allied health you people are killing us posters so tom enti mon timi maye mfere de na ye no like the heat we are producing allied health heat na ye producing until enhyehyem mo ho hyehyem ana why mo ho hyehyem Mon posti ya na yan fere na yan fa ye dede ne ye musuo mfiri mo so nko mon ma yan fere bie mon posti ye na yan fere because the noise is becoming too much and now for her allied up or chana for her okachi obi kra say work or school ni bie wi a onjinni unkwa na wo de school be nkwa na wo de wo koye na wo wie na watena fia de bia ye kwa ya ma bye de bia ye kwa baba chuma wajo every day ye kwa me kwabo enumre bia be to ma good evening unkwa school be na wakwa unkwa wunya adwuma nya wo ti fie ebinom kra de sereye sister bi se bio yankwa nwie ye hyase na yanwie aden why for how many years now 5 years and still counting 6 ya 2026 mo ye kwa no 6 years why aden na washa wo ba atitu mo remassion nkete sa awie SHS awie tertiary na wasamba betina fie na waye burden eda wo so at my age me feel sen kamanti bia nka menya 500 cedis ana 1000 cedis ama me parents o mo fund dia nka fata me and they deserve it enso ne mitimi for phone na my friend ma me say one send me scan na me ndidi why you people why do you people even think about us at all? Do you people, do you think about us? Abba, do you people think about us? Look at what is going on our class page. Look at what is going on. Abba, E dey sikatua tie.
Nanke de ma omo ho no.
Abba.
Because it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense
at all. Ade no nti chese de muntu mi nye hwe
mo tumi nya you people are not posting na
na scan ye ko fa ne
ya ko fa sika no wo he
eh omo
ebe nti mebo sisi ana sisi ya you this early January ya the people behind this cano how do they expect us to get the money to pay for that 150 for that workshop was minimum say
yes na so kwa be call workshop 150 ayo that's cannot do me see any na
because I don't communicate my way cry sana ABC crew duro man ka for all this while all of a sudden
and one say all of a sudden mo see em betua
say since last since
Ama, don't you think say mama na yen channel ye energy no e was our page in so because Fidelis no munim say school money na no
me say
Fidelis me person me be some question no. We'll say they didn't create the group, right? Good. It's a young create.
You say, baby, I she hits audios no crime in one day. Me mobile so just say they are costing na as a concert BBB allied health for enough is enough. The mono ya bread it's me boy enough is enough is so I say Monty my janfunu second chama Monty mon fa adwuma no ye nya biem. Mon sorry free office ho na mon bra field na mon be ye adwuma no mo hu se de emu hyehye tie a mo be post ya ma ya be ye adwuma ya mane mo a
Chira wa adwe mame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.